evening, everyone. My name is Jaiswal Sonu. I am an assistant dietitian in UN Mehta Cardiology and Research Center. Today's my topic is fat soluble vitamins. So, I know introduction. Vitamins A, E, D, K are fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins can dissolve in fat oils. Vitamins are nutrients that the body needs in small amount to stay healthy and work the way it should. Vitamin A chemical name is retinol. Structure: Vitamin A has a structure consistently a 20 carbon chain with a beta iron ring at and a functional group at the other, such as alcohol, aldehyde, or carbon dioxide acid. Absorption and transport: during absorption from the intestine, vitamin A, B carotene become finally dispersed in the intestinal fluid in the mixed lipid microcells formed with the aid of bile salts, lysogenic, lower glyceride and cholesterol. This facilitates the transfer of the vitamin and other lipid components across the mucous cells membrane. Vitamin A transport into from in plasma. The ester is transported association with B carotene in the B lipoprotein function. The physically active vitamin A alcohol on the other hands and eject to specific protein carrier with properties very similar to useoplasmin in the A2 globulin fractions. Source: animals source vitamin A, beef liver and other organ meats, fish as such as salmon and herring, cod liver oil, eggs, dairy products like milk, cheese and fortified milk. Plant source: orange, yellow vegetables, carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin and butternuts, sweets. Dark leafy greens to spinach, kale and collard greens. Fruits: mangoes, papayas, cantaloupe and apricots. Bioavailability: the most bioavailability from the vitamin A is performed vitamin A which comes from foods from animal source such as meat, fish and dairy products. The absorption of performed vitamin A supplements range from 70 to 90, while in the absorption provitamin A beta carotene range from 8.7% to 65%. Functions: immune system, metabolic modification and regulations, cyaninic and supports production of the protective mucous cells, gut, vaginas, lungs, stomach and more. A key player in the iron recycling system of the human body. Activation, profilcation and diffraction to T regulatory cells act as a true attention system that influences hormone activity, support the retina and general eye health, play as a role in bone remodeling and the growth, support protein matrix of the skin and other afferent tissue, part of the cell membranes matrix that allow the flow of nutrients, the hormones into and out the cells, increase the iodine uptake and the sodium iodine synthetase activity in human thyroid cells. Metabolism: vitamin A metabolism begins with the dietary intake, which absorbed into small intestine and transported to the liver for storage. Primary and retinine esters. Infrastructure of the other nutrients. So dietary fat: consuming vitamin A fat improve into absorption. Zinc is a required of enzyme and converts vitamin A, and zinc deficiency can interfere with vitamin A metabolism. Iron: vitamin A deficiency can affect iron transported metabolism and storage. Vitamin D intrasection: vitamin A and vitamin D have been proposed. Tough more research is needed. Toxicity: acute nausea and vomiting, heat itch, dizzying, blurred vision, irritability. Chronic dry, rough and itchy skin, hair loss and crosshair hair, cracked lips, bone and joint pains, liver damage, paralysis, leading to fibrosis and cirrhosis, change in endurance, general weakness and fatigue. Other risk: birth defect, bone health, liver and children. Vitamin D absorption. Location: vitamin D absorbed in the small intestine. Condition: absorption in achieved by the presence of dietary fat metabolism. It is absorbed tough and combination of a passive, diffuse and progressive involving intestinal member carrier proteins. Transport in the blood. Internal transport are absorption: vitamin D transported to form intestine in the liver via the lysomic system packed within clybronics. Major carrier proteins once in the blood system: vitamin D and metabolite are primarily transported bond to the specific protein called vitamin D building protein. Albumin also carries some vitamin D cellular entry. The metabolite typically enters most cells, but DPT bonds metabolite can enter specific cells like those in the kidney and parathyroid gland via malign clumping mechanisms. Sources: sunlight. Your skin can process vitamin D when exposed to the sun's ultraviolet rays. Foods: naturally food in the fatty fish, egg yolks and food like milk, cereals and juices that have been fortified with the vitamin. Supplements available in the two forms D2 to treat and prevent deficiency. Bioavailability. The bioavailability of vitamin D is poor. Its standard from but is significantly improved by consuming it with fat. Function: vitamin D nutrients the body needs along with calcium to blood bond and keep them healthy. The healthy can absorb the calcium only if it has enough vitamin D. Calcium is major part of bones. Vitamin D also many other uses in the body. It support immune health and help keep muscle and brain cells working. Assessment of vitamin status. Measuring vitamin status. Blood test reflect both source influencing factor. Classify nutritional status to deficiency, insufficiency and sufficiency. Metabolism. The first metabolic step occurs as liver where vitamin D3 hydroxide to the from 25 hydroxy vitamin D3. The circulating levels of 25 OH-D3 reflect the vitamin D nutritional status. It is further hydroxyled in the kidney too from 125 dehydroxy vitamin D3. It is a physiologically active hormonal form of vitamin D3. Infrastructure of other nutrients. So nutrients infrastructure: calcium, dietary fats, vitamin A and other fats. Cholesterol drug nutrients infrastructure. Cholesterol or list and Olsteda, phenobiotically, hydrochloride, thiazide. Toxicity. The main concern of vitamin D toxicity is build up calcium in the blood. This is called hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can cause upset stomach and vomiting, weakness and frequent uncridden. It also can lead to bone pain, kidney troubles such as a kidney stone. Vitamin E. Vitamin E medical name is tocopherol. Structure. Vitamin E is not a single molecule but a family of 8 related muscles and called trochophoretes and trochonutrient. Alpha trochophoretes is most active. Absorption and transport. Vitamin E absorbed is a tough oil solution after solubilization by active acids. It is absorbed into small intestine, typically cells. Less than 40% of oral dose is absorbed. Only free alpha tocopherol is found in the intestinal lifetime in serum. 2/3 of the vitamin is bond to hydroxide on the LDL and remains transferred to HDL. Some vitamins are transferred to adipose tissue and muscles with the rest taken up by the liver. Under normal condition, a very little vitamin is increased tough urine to sources. So plant oil such as soya bean, corn, cotton seeds, sunflower, leafy green vegetables, wheat grains, whole grain products, eggs yolk, nuts and seeds. Bioavailability. Vitamin E has a very bioavailability like approximately 50 to 80%. Vitamin E is absorbed even in the absence of dietary lipids, but its uptake in the small intestine can be enhanced by simultaneous and fat consumption. Function. Antioxidant keep a heart healthy, anti-cancer properly, in Alzheimer's disease, memory loss, cosmetic purpose for skin and hair, assessment of vitamin status. With a blood test, a doctor can learn how much of alpha tocopherol in the person has. A normal level is usually with a range of 5.5 to 70 milligrams per liter. Metabolism. Increase alpha tocopherol is converted into alpha CEHC and excreted into urine. Other tocopherols like gamma and beta are almost equivalent and discrete and increted in the urine as corpuscles and CEHCS. Integration with the other nutrient. Taking vitamin E along with beta carotene, vitamin C, selenium, mites and discrete to some of the beneficial effect of niacin. Niacin can increase the good cholesterol. Taking vitamin E along with these other vitamins might decrease the good cholesterol. Toxicity. Little intervention of toxicity is seen even at very high intake. Symptoms of hypervitaminosis E include muscle weakness, fatigue, headache and nausea. It many improves the absorption of other fat soluble vitamins. Vitamin K. Vitamin K is a non and coagulation vitamin because it helps blood clotting structure. There are 3 types of vitamin K. 2 of them, K1 folate, K2 for new occurs in the nature, K3 monaderides and synthetic from. Absorption. Bile salts are required for the absorption of vitamin K. They are absorbed along with other fat related products by the way abdominal lactic lysosomic system, portal blood and then off to liver. It is stored in small amount. Sources: green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, collard greens, mustard greens, turmeric greens, broccoli, Brussels sprouts and cabbage. Other soybeans and soybean oil, chicken, beef and other organ meats, eggs, cheese, certain fruits like blueberries and figs, nuts and seeds. bioavailability. The absorption rate of flavonoids in the it's free from approximately 80%, but its absorption rate from foods is significantly lower. Function: coagulation control, calcium keep heart healthy, slow and cancer tumor growth. Assessment of vitamin status: the measurement of a polyglus in a serum in the most commonly used marker of vitamin K status. Contain 0.50 less than are evaded of deficiency. Metabolism of vitamin K occur manually and in the liver. Vitamin K reduced to the its conjugate from by a quinine reduced test. Toxicity: vitamin K3 synthetic water soluble vitamin is toxic. High dose of K3 may result oxidative damage to red cell fertility. Increasive dose in the parameters. Infants have also caused serious liver problems and brain damage. Thank you.